Welcome back to another video. Uh so today um I'm playing Industrialists. Damn, way too loud. And so basically I'm just gonna show you how to build one of these steam turbines. And like when I looked at a tutorial when I was a beginner on how to build one, it was like I built it like perfectly, exactly the same replica, but then it was kind of like uh didn't work for some reason. So um I'm just gonna show you how to like do it, and I'm gonna like explain like what you have to be like careful about. Don't mind this. Why doesn't it have enough power? I thought these were enough. Oh, that explains. Alright, anyway, okay, so to build one, um my one would be using geothermal wells because I don't like pollution, and also I don't know how to use the coal plants. Basically how it works is you get, okay, so you start with the water pump, and you just place it right. So yeah, and um I just power it with like one windmill turbine, or I could just power it like this. um okay, so now it's got power, right? So main thing, just give it power, give it enough power to like make it work. I don't give it power at the start though. So yeah, just make sure you have something to give it power, but don't actually connect it yet. So otherwise it'll like it won't work. Uh so now you get the pipes, right? And since I'm using geothermal wells, you move it through the first one, and then out, and then through a second one. So like you move it double. So uh 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 so yeah, so get your geothermal well. Make sure it's going in. It already has lots of water. Okay, so it'll make the water, and then you just, so make sure you use the liquid ones, by the way. So you just build it, and then goes through the next one, and make sure that like your, like, see here that your input, like, and then your output can actually get out into the next one, and make sure it has space, like if it like to go out that way. So so we just get this again, and then yeah, like that. And now, since it's like it gets warmed. So it goes through the first one, gets heated to like 80 Celsius. Second one gets heated to like 160 Celsius. And then you just put it through the boiler, which is not too hard. So you can just use this. I mean, replace the boiler. Is it? Wait, I'll just send the. Okay, boiler, boiler, boiler. Oh, here. Okay, so you want to make sure it goes through uh like there. So it goes through this one first, and then it comes out this one, goes around, then goes through this one, and then comes out this one. Now you have to make sure that the water going into here is at least 100 degrees Celsius. Otherwise, it can't get made into steam. So you like steam out to turbine, water in to convert to steam. So yeah, you're just gonna make sure it is actually the enough temperature. So yeah, just connect it, and then yeah, just make it go all the way around. So it should go. Oh, my bad. It should actually go like that. So yeah, so it goes all the way around, and now so like here I'll say it one more time. So yeah, it comes out of the ground, gets heated in the ground, comes out, gets heated again, gets like cleaned or something. I don't know what that does, and then gets turned into steam. So you need to make it go through the boiler. In this one, in the right one, like right two first, and then the left. So and then it will come out. So I'm just doing all the straight ones first. And we'll just put it there. And okay, so now you use turns. Again, nice. So now it should be all connected. You can make sure it's running right. So it should be going there. Should be going there. Yeah, that's all correct. Now we get the steam large turbine. If you use the like steam turbine, it doesn't really do that much. Yeah, it's like the large turbine is way better. So you can, so it gets inputted there. You can just do that. Actually, another way you can do it, if you want to have it like infinitely, you can instead of using this, you can use the yeah, the hand pump, because it will like, oh well, oh sorry, so oh yeah, basically so you don't have to connect the boiler or the steam turbine to power, but you do have to connect these three. And if you're using windmill turbines, I would recommend that you use one for like two, and then it's like one powers three, and then another powers just these two. So yeah, and then get like whatever you want to connect the power to. I recommend like the best thing that like HMTV you can place, cause that'll like, cause it generates like lots of power, like generates lots. So here, and then you can redirect it. Okay, we'll just make sure it's going the right way. Yeah, that is not going the right way. Okay, nice. And it's coming in, coming out, coming in, coming out, coming in. Okay, nice. So what you can do now is you can like run this. Okay, so let's get my HM. Okay. So these generate lots of power, so you can easily like so much power. Nothing else needs power right yet. Okay, like see, one, 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 and then like even after all of this, like I connected it so that it makes powers this whole like copper thing. Afterwards, after it powers the whole thing, it's just like 0. See 0.99. So didn't like barely even put a dent in the amount of power that's being transferred. So it's like 1 mmf, and then after it powers this, still 1 mmf to power these, which I'm still working on that to cleanse my plot of all the pollution. Oh yeah, it's going down. It used to be 17, but that's good. Yeah. So that's basically it. Yeah, what I was gonna say, when you wanna when it has, this is making power, right? Yeah. So you can see that the water is kind of like being redirected. So now you don't even. So like let this run for like 5 minutes. This water pump, then you can delete it, and then it's just gonna recirculate. Like it's literally goes in, comes out, goes in, comes out, gets cleansed, turns into steam here, comes out as steam, and then generated into power, and then the same amount of water that just got generated, the same amount of water that got turned into steam comes out this pipe, so you can just reuse it again. So yeah. Uh yeah, that's basically it. So like delete this after a while if you notice that these have, it's definitely flowing. So yeah, it's coming. There's like as comfortable supply of water. So now you can just delete it. I don't know if I didn't do that with my others, but you can. I should actually. Yeah, I'll do it right now. So get the pipes. Oh yeah, it gets dumped. Forgot about that. Let's delete this dump. It'll stop making power for a sec, but that's all right. I can manage no power for like 2 seconds. uh, yeah. So I'll just do it with this one, so you can hear it like powering down. Yeah, it's basically it for this video. You don't have to keep watching. Yeah. Make sure it's going the correct way. Okay, now you can just delete this. Easy as that. Now it'll just keep running infinitely. Infinite power. See, constant There's enough water supply, you can see. And then I'll just do it with this one as well. Oh, and make sure there isn't too much water, otherwise it'll get clogged. It happened to me, and I was kind of raging a bit because I was like, why? It's like, because it gets clogged, like it comes in here, and it just doesn't turn it into anything. So I was like, what is it doing? And then, yeah, I just searched up, oh, and it's clogged. So, yeah, just make sure it's not too much water. This should be making power. And it is. Okay, that will conclude your tutorial. You you only need 2 windmills, or like 2 level 2 windmills. So like the first one, get it? The first one, you make it power the like water and these, and then the second one make it power these 2. It's like this one powers all of them. This one just powers the geothermal wells because they need some extra power. And in the next video, I'll explain how to do a tree farm. And it's kind of like it's another person's like setup, but like simplified, I guess. Yeah. All right. Bye.